As we look ahead to Law Day and the celebration of the Constitution and the rule of law, we hope the topic fosters important conversation throughout our great state. And we know where that's already happening, in Mr. Suarez's social studies classroom at Freedom Elementary in the Liberty Elementary School District. Let's take a look.
Now, remember, this is what you guys were supposed to do. Which amendment in the Bill of Rights was the most important? If we're going to get rid of all the other amendments in 2022, but we're only going to keep one, why should we keep your amendment? What importance does it have? You guys are supposed to be thinking about, if we didn't have this, what would happen? What would the government be able to do? How would life be different if we didn't have this one amendment?
Our amendment was the Second Amendment to the right to bear arms. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it.
Perfect. So Amendment 2, like they said, is your right to bear arms. It's your right to own a firearm.
8 is the most important because it makes sure that the punishment choose for a crime isn't excessive, cruel, or unusual.
Based on the information that was provided for me, the best amendment is amendment number 8, no excessive bail.
Why it's important? Yeah. They don't realize it yet, but they will when they get older, that how much rights they actually have as individuals and how much control they actually have and say they have in the government. So it's important for them to know exactly what rights they do have, and then again, just what are their responsibilities as citizens.
If we didn't have laws, then there would be guns, there would be drugs, there would be a lot of bad things.